Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to sell crypto on P2P on Binance. Firstly, make sure the crypto you want to sell is in your funding account. You can transfer assets from your spot account to your funding account. Now open the Binance app and tap on Trade, then P2P. You have two options to sell: P2P trading mode or Express trading mode. Go to the Sell tab and select the cryptocurrency. Choose your preferred fiat currency and select a buyer based on their rate, trade limit, and payment methods. Enter the amount you want to sell, then add or select a payment method. Ensure it matches your verified Binance account name. Read the buyer's terms and click Sell. Wait for the buyer to transfer the funds, and once the payment is received, click Confirm Release and verify using 2FA or passkeys. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials about crypto.